Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u an
Clear bahwa persen tentang lepas tiap bahasa kacala kelarai pynjlan sendiri Bnai ya collection MDC sia Garo Hills District Autonomous District Council. Apa kalian sekilap ratai kubur hadi ngaji lang kabinet bahwa persen loong bayar kan ngaji lang la penyat demonstrasi rangba kejala ukon ki sama naturah lamba ke video conference. Aku bawa persen loong bahkan ni karai kalmi hadi ngaji keren jing selok bat ki parliamentary bat ki tenak sorkar ki bedai berkata an bat nam ta berkat kejelong cuman hak jelah luang bagi jimpen jalan kalau men ipol kambiang ki bor beripet ban penyat ban pengkreat ya election bakalong biaya bayar nanti kerkung gejing thu jong u bak sorkar ke jelah kelapha ik ajmut sya ka sorkar me clear bat karai ban penjalan ya election MDC ha Garo Hills nam taru Bnai kadai ban penyat ya election ha kerkom ke badai la ongru wa sakar kam kadan jing temu ban penting kena bagani election kelang kabukhui ku sebab bat kenjat baik kerkom ikan an kan ni kala rai kala ra hapring gajing yakren bat gajing mi ke jerut jeruat ha kini ketia waladap balak
with only one agenda for the cabinet to decide, and that agenda is relating to the extension of term of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. Let me just inform to all of you that again today in the morning, the CM of the District Council, Shri Albinus Armara, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Shri Dhormanat CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the house for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal as far as Garo Hills Autonomous District